Hi, this is Alex, RM Rider, Compound Daytona. Well, the trick I'm trying to explain to you today is called a cliffhanger. As gnarly as it sounds by name, it is actually that good. Basically, in layman's terms, is actually basically doing a basically upright stand on your handlebars. Basically, how I approach this trick is, as I'm going towards 21, I want to make sure my speed check is 100% and I'm 100% confident in this trick. So as I hit the jump, I preload by basically sitting down just before the jump and standing up on the face of the jump. As the bike pops up, I immediately bring my legs straight, though not curved, straight, until the handlebars. I grip my feet around the actual forks, and then from there, I'd basically do a big no-hander, but from this no-hander, I'll basically do a thrust forward and actually look upright, and either I would fling my hands to the sides and makes it look like a cross, or I throw my hands up in the air. So basically you're just throwing it right up, and then it actually brings out the extension in the trick. I find these things actually do help. And now once you got the actual thing extended, basically from there you must spot your landing. Once you know exactly what distance away from the landing, you can either hold the trick or you just snap right back into normal position. So basically what I do is I like to float down, because sometimes it's wasting too much time as you grab the handlebars and you force your way back to the foot pegs. I let go of my feet on the handlebars and I basically float back down onto the bike. And as I land, I ride away. And that's a cliffhanger.